This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. Doing a video here just to show you the power of focusing on leading groups and leading stocks. It is a fact. It is not an opinion, and it's common sense. Leading groups produce leading stocks, and leading stocks are in leading groups. If we consider it, just be very pragmatic. How can you have a leading group if there aren't some stocks that are doing really well? So by default, we look at leading groups and leading stocks. I'd like to show you some data here, and this is useful. This is from Investors Daily. This is a great publication. By the way, I don't work for them, so I'm not touting them that way, but just good data right here. It's coming through the paper. Morning group, mining, gold, and silver. Industry group rank 1 this week. Last week 3 months ago 33. It's moved up in rank. Food, meat products is hanging solid. Building, residential, commercials moved up gradually in rank. Energy, solar slipped a little bit in rank. And retail, wholesale, automobile just steady, relatively moved up a bit, and then it's been steady the last couple of weeks. So we're going to go in and we're going to take a look at some of the leading stocks in the groups. We sort this by relative strength or percent off high. Here we go. Group number 1, mining, gold, and silver. Here's KL. It's still hanging in there, but notice this, it lost the 50-day again on a pickup in volume. Lost the 50-day right here too. This was a great run for us, by the way, the keyless stock. SVM, grinding on up. And again, what group are we in? We're in the number 1 rated group, gold and silver, mining, gold and silver. Grinding on up. Lower price stock though, take that in consideration. KGC, grinding on up. You can just see why, I can see why that's a leading group. DRD, leading group. And again, this is sorted by industry group, relative strength, percent off high. Acting fine. AUI, lost a little bit here at the 50-day. But again, did you notice a lot of them are lower price stocks? Now, I'm not knocking lower price stocks, but many institutions won't buy them. That doesn't mean you can't. That's not my point. But you just like to fish in a good hole where the bigger money is. So let's move on here. Group number 2, Tyson Foods. This is group number 2. It was number 2 last week also. Hanging in here. Fell here a bit on volume, but it's hanging in. Pilgrim's Pride. Steadily grinding up. Got a little loose right here. These are daily charts, by the way. BR, right here, BRFS. Going sideways. Exhibiting some strength. And again, it's group rank 2. Sanderson Farms. Got a little loose here. This isn't a great bar. Hormel, hanging in. So you just have a view there of what are the leading stocks in a leading group. Home Builders, group rank 3, and it's moved up steadily in rank. It's gone from, take a look, 19 to 5 to 3. There's power. That's why we do this. TMHC, grinding on up. NVR, this one trades a little thin. Thin stocks can be great when they're going up, but boy, they can get hard fast, real fast, and drop fast. Look at that. MHO, hanging in there. Home Builder. DH, Horton, grinding on up. And again, this is a group rank 3. Has moved up in rank. Solar Edge, moving on up. See that? Enphase. Now look at this one. Do a compare and contrast. See this? It's walking up the 50-day. It's still exhibiting some strength. Look at the volume on this bar. Take it a step further. ENPH. Of these two, they're both in the same group. Which one would you be interested in? This one. It's stronger. And Jinko Solar. Got a bad data bar here. My apologies. Are you going to look at this? You can say, Pat, it's in a top group. No. You've got to combine top groups with the leading stocks in the group. That's what we do. Big part of our foundation. SPI Solar. Lower price, though. Okay? Got to factor that into the equation. DQ. Lost the 50-day. Finally, building, residential, retail, wholesale, automobiles, what I was looking at, sorry. Hanging in there on the 50-day. walking on up. Made a note here. Very thin. Very thin. Doesn't do a lot of volume every day, but it's grinding on up. Group rank 5. Group rank 5. You can see some strength here. Sonic Automotive. You can see some strength. CarMax. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. It's the kind of things we do. I love to look at leading groups and leading stocks in the group. And I hope this helps you. By the way, this works. Focus on leading groups and leading stocks. I would encourage you, don't just look at stocks that have a good chart pattern. Also look for some great earnings and or great sales. That's important. And I thank you.